how to solve connection issues in Roblox. That is, how to fix Roblox Error Code 279. So in order to fix the Roblox Error Code 279, the first option you can try out is to clear out the Roblox data. In order to do that, hold on the Windows key and press R. In the search bar right here, search for %local app data %. Click on OK, and after you do that, scroll down, search for Roblox, right click on it and click on delete. If this doesn't work out, then the other thing you need to do is to clear the Roblox data from our browser. Now I had installed my Roblox from my Opera, so what I'll do is I'll go to the settings bar right here at the top right corner of the screen. If you're using Chrome, then you should see the 3 dot icon. Just click on that and then go to settings. After you go to settings, in the search bar of the settings, search for cookies and other site data. Click on it, scroll down and click on see all site data and permissions. So you do that. In the search bar right here, search for Roblox, and right beside the Roblox section, click on the trash can by which your Roblox site data and permission should be cleared out, which should solve your problem. Now the next option to try out if this doesn't work out is to allow the Roblox through the firewall. In order to do that, go to the search bar and search for control panel, and after you have reached inside the control panel, go to Windows Defender Firewall. Now click on allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. Click on change settings, click on allow another app, click on browse. After you do that, inside your C drive, go to program files x86. Scroll down, and in these sections right here you should see Roblox. I don't have the Roblox option here because I might not have any data inside the Roblox right now, but if you have any data inside Roblox, then you should see the Roblox option right here. Click on the Roblox option and choose the appropriate version of Roblox and click on add. Click on open, and after you click on open, then click on add. Now if you have done that but it still doesn't work out, then the next option you can try out is go to the Roblox player, right click on it, go to properties, go to compatibility, click on disable full screen optimization and click on run this program as administrator as well. After you have done this, click on apply, and then the problem you're facing of the Roblox connection error should likely be fixed. If this doesn't work out, then the next option you can try out is to reset your internet. In order to reset your internet, go to the search bar and type for CMD. Make sure to run the command prompt as administrator, click on yes, and inside the command prompt right here, give the command ipconfig //DNS. Click on enter. After you do that, then the next option you can give to the command prompt is netsh winsock reset. Then click on enter, and after all the processing is done, then click on netsh int ip reset. To give this command to command prompt, then that will reset your internet, and that might fix the problem of you facing the Roblox error as well. Make sure to restart your PC after you type these commands in command prompt. The last option to try out is to change your DNS. In order to change your DNS, go to your control panel. Now go to network and sharing center and click on the network that you're connected to. After that, go to properties, click on internet protocol version 4 right here, and then toggle this option on and make sure that you enter your preferred DNS server as 8888 and your alternate DNS server as 8844. And after you do that, click on OK, and that should pretty much fix your problem. So these were the 5 options that I taught you in order to fix your Roblox connection error. Hopefully one of these options to work out for you, and hopefully you found this video helpful. Thank you very much.